Hello, and welcome to another episode of Resto-Rob. Hello, everybody, and welcome back to the Resto-Rob channel, the first video of the year. Sorry it's been a while. A lot of stuff going on, holidays, family. We all know the drill. So things have been working out pretty good. Got some good stuff coming on. Currently working on the Bonnie wall. I like to get that finished. Clean out the shop. 2026 will be the year I will give you a tour. I got to force myself to get this place cleaned up. Pretty much it's a path in and a path out. So yeah, I'm getting rid of a lot of stuff I don't need. Keeping all the stuff I do like. Coming up with some stickers. So I got the first set here. So yeah, I'm gonna be working on getting some more of those. What else? Got a tool haul here for you. Got a quick mail call. And then finally some eBay finds, and the very ending will be the best thing of all. So sit back, relax, and check these out. So thank you to our good friend George, who sent us a Christmas care package. So starting here, we got a barrel of monkeys. Yay, barrel of monkeys. Let's see how good I am. So, yeah, barrel of monkeys. Hours of entertainment. So, to go along with the barrel of monkeys, we get this monkey hanging from a thing. It's gonna look cool just hanging up in the shop. We'll go with the obvious right here. The Lehigh Vise, Bonnie Vise, inch and 5/8. This is awesome, George. Thank you. And then we got this large Bonnie 1033C, which is a 5/16 by 1 inch. Next is this 124 3/4 inch Bonnie. The 1164H, which is the 6-point 9/16. Awesome. And then 2 Velcheks for the Velchek collection. You can tell by the little Velchek. So that'll go into the Velchek collection. So part of a tool haul I did, found these items at the Habitat. So first we've got this Craftsman 1932 by 11/16. It's a VV. Here we got a Thorson 2012 3/8. SK Wayne with a C marking. This is a C12, 8mm. SK Wayne 8mm. Here, this is a small little baby Williams, number 21. This one is a Barcalow, made in the USA, 5/16. This teeny tiny little one is a Velchek. Very tiny little Velchek. Little 1/4 inch by 5/16. And last of these, we got this chrome vanadium 3/16 by 7/32. And this is H10 Bonnie. Don't know if you can tell really well, but yeah, Bonnie. So that found us a 12.3/8 drive Fleet 3/4. This is an SK 3/8 6-point 3/8 drive. This is an Armstrong 3/8 extension 12-point. Another SK 9/16 6-point. An SK 3/8 12-point. And then a 13/16 snap-on 6-point. That's what, probably like 3/4. No, 1/2 inch. Sorry, don't know what I was thinking. Then we got this tiny little punch. It's Miller's Falls. 310 2/32. Little it's a punch. I think it might have been a nail set at one time. And then finally we've got this speed wrench, which is marked Husky with the underline Y. And that's in 3/8 drive. Here we have an eBay find. I got this A702K ratchet, 1/2 inch. And it came with these large sockets. This one. I got a 32mm auto. This one is a performance tool axle nut 34mm. And then we've got a Wright 4930 15/16. So this came as a little cheapy set. Next up, we've got this small H50 kind of a linkage tool. So I found this tool thinking it was a Bonnie, but it's marked not guaranteed with H50 marking, which I'm going to have to investigate a little bit more, but I was thinking it was this number 2589, a specialty tool which is unusually useful in making certain brakes and steering gear adjustments. Blade is 5/64 thick and 1/4 inch in width. Overall length is 7 inches. So I'm going to have to investigate who actually made this one, but that's what I was going for. And I know you guys have seen these before. This is a Masterpiece wrench. It's got the little tchotchke. Pulls out. It's got the pipe cutter in the jaw. And it's marked Masterpiece. This one, overall length is like 10 inches. So I know you guys know I've got one, but here's the original one I had. So I've come up with an additional Masterpiece, a 10 inch, and this is my 12 inch. So this was a birthday present to myself. So I'm pretty happy. I now own 2 Masterpieces. Bonnie Masterpiece. So I am tickled. This is pretty freaking awesome. So let me know what you guys think. Yeah. So everybody, hopefully you enjoyed today's episode. The 10-inch Masterpiece is one of my favorites, along with that Lehigh from George. So I thank you gratefully for that. I just got my first 10-pack of these stickers. I'm going to try them out, see if I like them. And then I'm going to order more. And then I'll probably be sending them out to some people. But I just wanted to get a test to see if it actually works. See if you guys like them. That's the biggest thing. So, new round of Resto-Rob Bonnie Mac stickers. So, as always, everybody stay safe, and we will check you later.